These are the elevators at Sarasota City Center, downtown Sarasota, Florida. Are you doing work on this?
You can take it.
Okay. I'm actually kind of just riding because I'm an elevator enthusiast, if you don't mind. Because,
Okay.
like, yeah, I'm just gonna go, like, to the top and back. Are you, like, alright. Are you, like, just doing cab work, or are you actually, like, upgrading the elevator?
I'm just surveying some stuff.
Oh, come in.
Thanks.
Are you going up?
Thanks.
Alright. As you see, you can really get a good look at Sarasota from up here.
Absolutely, it's gorgeous, man.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yep. Oh, yeah. Also, I should probably mention I'm narrating because I actually do elevator videos for YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Some people say it's cool. Some people say it's weird, but it's way too.
It's awesome. I've actually watched a couple guys do that. There's a couple guys who have a channel.
Oh.
They go all over the place and recognize the elevator maintenance company that put it in, Otis, Schindler, Tissin, and talk about all the new models coming out.
Yeah. The biggest one I know of has like almost 50,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm not near that big yet, but hopefully I'll get there someday.
Cool, man. Nice to meet you.
All right.
Have a good one, buddy.
You too. Also, I'm gonna try to film the other elevators, so it's kind of gonna be hard. Yeah, we'll see if we can get the inner ones. I might just have to send this one up. Or are you going up?
Yes.
All right. Don't mind me. Yeah, that should be fine. That one doesn't have its lantern or call station or anything. This one. This is the air elevator. I'm gonna try to get at least one full non-stop ride on each of these glass elevators, but so far I haven't gotten a full ride on either of them. Well, I've gotten a full ride down non-stop on the air elevator, but not this one. While we're here, we're gonna get a view. This is a really nice view. I'm gonna try not to let this elevator leave me. Here we go, the one. Here's the certificate, which I forgot to show in the other elevator. We're about to go in the building. And here we go. We'll see if anyone's here. If not, we'll send it up. Now we're gonna get an internal elevator, this one I think. I'm not sure if that one's turned off or not. You can can see the classic leveling. Here we go. Here we are at the penthouse. Whoa, I didn't notice that. Anyway. No. I think it left me. Oh well. I kind of didn't want my hand in the door. Maybe I should have. But while we're here, let's admire the view. Oh, what do you know? Are you serious? It just stuck there for a few seconds, then reopened its doors. It's like it was leaving me. But I'm pretty sure you can't see that, but there's a certificate. Here's a photo.
Yeah, if you're declared, we look forward to seeing you in a couple weeks. Great.
Someone called the elevator but didn't get on. Here's your cab view. I really like these cabs. Well, you can see outside kind of. So it's like it's an internal elevator, but you can still see it outside a little. We're gonna try and get that one right there. That's where the call station was. I'm not sure what they're doing. Here is a view from the 5th floor of the Sarasota City Center office complex. That way is Sarasota Memorial Hospital. In the distance there you can see the Embassy Suite Sarasota, which is about to open this year. But yeah, there's a bunch of buildings. I can't really describe them all. But anyway, we're gonna go down now. So this is a really nice elevator lobby, as you can see. And these are, I'm this far into the video, but I never told you. These are Otis Series 1 older fixtures, as in like pre-mid-90s. And these are probably Otis Elevonic 401. They may be 411s, but I'm going with the fact that they're 401s for now. That's kind of how I've gone since December 2016, since I first rode them. So as soon as we get an elevator, we might not get one. Hopefully we do. What do you know? It's this one. What? Oh, the guy's gone, and he's left the elevator, and okay, we're gonna go to one now. Ha! We're right in the middle of the opening. There we go. I'm gonna get just a cab view. Quick leveling. We're gonna just go for one more ride on this one. Get ready for it. You can see out both sides now. Here we go. Here's the certificate. I forgot to show it earlier. Here we go. we're stopping. Hi. Actually, we're going to do just what we did earlier.